Dr. Shuchi Mehra, and I'm the head of the Department of Management Studies at Chandigarh Group of Colleges.
And for what purpose you are here?
I'm invited here as, of course, one of the delegates as well as one of the panelists for all these key sessions. And because last time also, this is my second visit. So 6 months ago, when we had this similar expo and conference, so of course I was a motivational speaker also. So because I'm associated with the Ministry of Education, and I've been promoting all these professional courses and all this education, of course, in the region all across the country. So this is actually a very good platform where students can actually participate and do a lot of creative and innovative things also. At the same time, they actually get a lot of counseling for the admission also. So it's really very convenient for all the students, for the teachers, for the educators, and for all the colleges also, so that they can team up and they can spread a lot of awareness to the students. The students can also get a lot of information and detailed information at one place only.
And being a delegate, how's the response? How you felt in Bharat X Expo?
As a delegate this time, yes, of course, I have listened to a lot of things, good things, interesting things. Though, of course, I reached at a very short time only, because I just reached at around 12 or something. So one session I had already missed, because, of course, Ministry of Education is something which is actually promoting all this education in UP also. Because so far, of course, Delhi was considered the education hub. As I'm from Delhi, so a lot of opportunities we could say that Delhi, of course, had. But now, UP is also becoming a knowledge hub and education hub. So a lot of colleges are there, and especially Greater Noida and Noida, which actually is an education hub. So a lot of colleges are participating, a lot of universities are there. So I encourage a lot of students to, and even Chandigarh has also opened one center in now also.
Which you like the most today?
The most
The universities both.
I would say one, of course, is the Puzzle House, which of course they have honored me also, and of course the other is the Global Talent.
Okay. And why? What would you like to say to the audience? Why they should visit this Bharat Shiksha Expo?
I think this is open for everyone. So I can see on the second day only, so a lot of footfall is there, a lot of students are there. I can see a lot of excitement students have, children have, and they're coming with their parents also. So parents are also equally participating a lot, because of course it's a matter of their children's career. So nobody wants to take any second chance, or nobody is casual about these things. So this is really very interesting that everybody is so serious about these days to make a good career and to get more opportunities. And through these expos and through these conferences and seminars, children are getting a lot of knowledge and awareness. They are equally concerned that how important it is to have a good career.
So they should visit this expo,
Yes,
because
of
you
course,
will get
of
to explore
course,
a lot
of
of
course.
universities and what is the process of admission.
Yes. At one place they are getting almost like there's so many colleges are there, so they can inquire at every desk, and they will definitely get a lot of information about it. And regarding the scholarships, because you just can't visit each and every college personally like this. So earlier we used to, when all these facilities were not there during our time.
So you guys should visit this expo.
Yes, of course, it's highly recommended. All of you should.
Okay.